Singh from class 6B, Tagore International School, east of Kailash, will be telling you a story titled Millie the Talented Girl. There was a talented girl named Millie. She used to be very smart, intelligent, and talented. But her greatest problem was that she used to give up very easily in any new field of work. She didn't used to face new challenges successfully. This made her confidence level go down. Her mother also remained tensed from her such type of habit. Mother often used to tell Millie that it was better to tackle any new problems by trying it again and again. Millie did not listen much to her mother's advice. One day, Millie's mother was sitting in a room thinking about Millie. She remembered that in their backyard there used to live a fairy godmother. The godmother used to listen to people's problems, troubles, and find out the ways and solutions for the same. Millie's mother thought that if she takes Millie to the fairy godmother, she will help her to tackle with the issue. On one Sunday, Millie's mother took her to the backyard. There, her mother, with folded hands, prayed to the fairy godmother to appear. The fairy godmother appeared. Both of them greeted her. Hello, my dear. I understand your problem. Let us explore this beautiful journey together, said the fairy godmother. The mother said it to Millie. You may ask the fairy godmother anything you like. Millie was surprised to see the sudden appearance of the fairy godmother. Millie, with a most humble and kind voice, she said, Hello, dear fairy godmother. I give up new challenges, situations really quickly. I also can't build up confidence easily over myself. The fairy told, Well, my child, I understand. Let us begin your journey. Here, have this notepad. Write all your talents, good things, and on the other page, write your weaknesses. Millie wrote, I can think very well. I'm very quick at math problems. I'm a good runner and I can dance well. Millie said and wrote on the notepad. I can't scared. I am scared of heights. I also think that I'm very negative, but I'm not. The godmother said, Well then, you told me that you were scared of heights. Try climbing that big rock on your left. I generally do not do it, but Fairy, I'll try, said Millie, keeping the notepad on the small rock beside her. She climbed the rock with a horrifying feeling. She was so happy that she made it. The fairy godmother exclaimed, Well done! You understood what I wanted to tell you. Millie was confused and told, Hmm, Grandmother was happy that she had understood. The mother was also happy to see her daughter learning new skills. The godmother further told that this way she could also build up a good level of confidence. Fairy godmother also told this to Millie. Millie, it's okay to make mistakes. It's just a part of life. Remember this that you will learn from your mistakes. Millie said, I will make sure that I will be following these things, Fairy godmother. Fairy godmother said, keep this in your mind that you should practice your work regularly and practice makes a man perfect. The fairy godmother continued, and don't forget to celebrate your every small or big achievements. Millie was confused a bit. The fairy godmother said and explained, I will tell you more. You should celebrate your every small and big achievements for every good work you perform. Please use to give credit and praises to yourself. Acknowledge that your achievement and give yourself credits for every success. And never repent for any mistake or failures you did in the past. Rather, you should learn from your mistakes and keep this in your mind so that you do not repeat these mistakes in the future. The fairy godmother further explained Millie to do exercises daily, to go for outdoor activities. It will improve her memory retention, it will help her to keep calm, be mentally relaxed, and study more efficiently. Millie was listening carefully. The godmother continued, You can make an exam plan according to your final exams coming, huh? Take mini breaks after studying. Go out in the nature and enjoy the fresh air. If you have got many topics to study, Break it into smaller ones, and continue to study. This way, you can understand well. And yes, remember to keep a positive mindset always. You can use different study techniques, said the fairy godmother by giving Millie a full sheet of techniques. The fairy godmother further reminded Millie, if you follow these words carefully in your life, you will always get success. It will increase your concentration power and confidence level in any field of work you do. You will also be able to face new challenges easily and successfully. Overall, it will make your personality more strong and balanced. Millie and her mother again greeted the fairy godmother for her kind advices and fruitful words. Millie promised the fairy that she would ever remember her kind words and never allow despair and negativity to prevail in her life. She also promised that she would do her every assignment in life with greater degree of confidence and compassion. Mother and the daughter gave their biggest regards and thanked to the fairy godmother. The fairy left and disappeared. All of a sudden, Millie and her mother were in Millie's room. Millie had changed now. She was now looking at the world in a different way. Millie was now full of confidence and determined to accomplish any new work assigned to her. Her mother was feeling proud of her. Millie was actually a talented girl and had become more confident now. She made a promise with herself that she would never forget that the fairy godmother had told her and always be grateful towards her. Millie